We are wrapping up this afternoon's concert, and we'd like to thank you all for being such a great and tasteful and good-looking audience. And we'd like to thank these fabulous musicians and their directors. What a fabulous program you are! Following the concert, please join us at the Lumberyard for dinner. Just show your server a copy of the program, and Lumberyard will make a donation of 15% of your check to the Laguna Community Concert Band. I know! For a final round of fun, we leave you with Leroy Anderson's epic Typewriter Etude, a short, light piece that features an actual typewriter as the solo instrument. It debuted in 1953. This is the most incredible thing. It will knock your socks off. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Baron von Stick and the Typewriter. And I love to hear it. So cool.